There's an iceberg, and it's huge. So
I'm gonna hit.
go to the lifeboat. Whoa, a lost baby. We need someone to help us here.
I have it. Yeah, help.
What is it? Sir, there's an iceberg. You can't.
Can't stop it. We can't.
No, we cannot. This is bad.
I'm gonna look at this.
Get to the lifeboat. And there's a lost baby. Get to the lifeboat, sir. Get to the lifeboat. Go, let's go. Go. We got to get this baby to the lifeboat. Patrick. Patrick, is your name Patrick? I think I know a Patrick. Sir, there's an iceberg and we cannot stop it. We have to get to the lifeboats. Not really. Get to the lifeboat. Sir, this is not good.
Yes.
We only have a few minutes left to live. Get to the lifeboat. Go, get to the lifeboat, lads. Go, go, go. Go, get. Sir, there's only a few seconds left. This may be the end. This could be the end.